Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Spice series episode number 12. In this episode, we are making a must-have spice powder for South Indian curries, curry chili powder. This versatile blend adds incredible depth and flavor to a variety of South Indian dishes. To make this, start by taking half tablespoon chana dal, half tablespoon tur dal, half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of peppercorns, half tablespoon of fennel seeds and half tablespoon of mustard seeds and half tablespoon of raw rice. Spread all these ingredients out on a plate, and onto another plate let's measure out 1 cup of red chilies and 1 cup of coriander seeds. You can sun dry all these ingredients for 2 days, or if you prefer, use a cast iron kadai to roast them. Let's start by roasting the ingredients from the first plate until the raw rice turns white and the mustard seeds splatter. This should approximately take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the ingredients from the second plate and roast for just 2 more minutes before turning off the heat. Let everything cool down completely before blending it into a fine powder. And there you have it, your homemade curry chili powder. Now let's use the spice mix to whip up a simple yet delicious okra curry. Heat some sesame oil in a clay pot. While the oil is heating, I am chopping 25 to 30 shallots in my Borosil chopper. It's super quick, getting the job done in seconds before the oil is hot. Once the oil is ready, let's temper it with 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splatter. Then let's add 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a few curry leaves and a drizzle of turmeric powder. Next, add the chopped shallots. Borosil has truly been my mini kitchen friend ever since I got it. But if you don't have one, you can cozily blend the shallots in a regular blender. Saute this shallots until it turns soft and transparent. Now, throw in 1 tomato sliced into rounds and saute it for a bit. After a while, season it with salt and add a teaspoon of chili powder for the spice and continue to saute this tomatoes until it turns soft and mushy. Add in 250 grams of cleaned and chopped okra. You can also use any vegetable of your choice or a mix of veggies too, as much you prefer. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, once okra is sauteed well, add 2 heaped teaspoons of freshly ground curry chili powder. Mix everything well together. I've got some tamarind juice here. Made from an amla-sized piece of tamarind, pour it in and wait for the curry to come to a nice boil. Adjust the water as needed, then cover the pot and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your super yummy okra curry is ready to serve. Pour it over hot rice and enjoy a comforting, flavorful meal. And there you have it foodies, a delicious hearty okra curry made from scratch using our very own curry chili powder. This dish is packed with flavor and perfect for comforting meal with family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Mellowbites for more exciting recipes and bring magic to your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking and stay spicy. Bye.